What if your body was trying to warn you about a silent killer, and you didn't even notice? High blood pressure, often called the silent killer, can creep up on you with very few obvious symptoms. But there are early warning signs you should never ignore. Today we'll explore the 6 critical warning signs of high blood pressure that you need to watch out for, plus 7 natural remedies you can use to lower it, at the end of the video. Welcome to Levitas. High blood pressure, or hypertension, happens when the force of blood against your artery walls is consistently too high. Blood pressure consists of 2 numbers. Systolic pressure, the top number, which is the pressure when your heart beats, and diastolic pressure, the bottom number, or pressure when your heart is at rest between beats. A reading of 120 and 80 mm of mercury is considered normal, but when it reaches 130 and 80 or higher, it's classified as high blood pressure. The causes of high blood pressure include lifestyle factors, such as poor diet, lack of physical activity, alcohol consumption, and smoking. Other causes include age, stress, and genetics. High blood pressure often develops slowly over time, and if left untreated, it can have severe complications like heart disease, stroke, and kidney damage. What are the 6 early warning signs of high blood pressure? These 6 subtle clues may seem minor, but they could be the 6 ways your body's telling you something's wrong, and you shouldn't ignore it. If you have one or more of these, get your pressure checked. 1. Frequent headaches, particularly in the back of your head, can be one of the earliest signs of high blood pressure. This happens because increased pressure in the blood vessels affects blood flow to the brain. The restricted flow of oxygenated blood causes tension and swelling in the head, resulting in dull, persistent headaches. 2. Changes in vision, including blurriness or even vision loss in extreme cases. This condition is called hypertensive retinopathy. When blood pressure is too high, it puts strain on the delicate blood vessels in the retina, causing them to narrow, rupture, or bleed. 3. Feeling dizzy or lightheaded is another warning sign that your blood pressure might be too high. When blood pressure spikes, it disrupts the flow of oxygen to the brain, causing a temporary loss of balance or a sensation of spinning. Dizziness is often more noticeable when standing up quickly or moving around after sitting for a while. 4. While nosebleeds can be caused by a variety of factors, including dry air and allergies, frequent or unexplained nosebleeds may be linked to high blood pressure. Elevated blood pressure can weaken the blood vessels in the nose, causing them to burst more easily. 5. Trouble falling asleep or staying asleep can also be a sign of high blood pressure. Hypertension can affect your nervous system and cause your body to stay in a heightened state of stress, making it difficult to relax and rest properly. Insomnia can, in turn, exacerbate high blood pressure, leading to a vicious cycle. 6. Do you ever feel a strange, pulsating sensation in your neck, or hear your heartbeat pounding in your ears? This could be another sign of elevated blood pressure. When your blood pressure rises, the force of blood flow can become so strong that it creates noticeable pulsations in the arteries near your neck and ears. This sensation is often described as a throbbing or whooshing sound, and if it's accompanied by other symptoms, it's time to get your blood pressure checked. If you're experiencing any of these early signs of high blood pressure, it's crucial to take action. Fortunately, there are several natural remedies that can help lower blood pressure and support heart health. 1. Garlic is well known for its ability to lower blood pressure by promoting nitric oxide production, which helps to relax and widen blood vessels. Studies suggest that consuming about 1 to 2 cloves of fresh garlic, or taking 600 to 1,200 milligrams of garlic extract daily, can significantly reduce blood pressure. 2. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps balance the effects of sodium in your body, reducing pressure on your blood vessels. Foods rich in potassium, such as avocados, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens, can help lower blood pressure naturally. It's recommended to aim for 3,500 to 4,700 milligrams of potassium per day through diet, to keep your blood pressure in check. 3. Beetroot juice is another powerful natural remedy for hypertension. Beets are rich in nitrates, which convert into nitric oxide in the body and help relax and dilate blood vessels, leading to lower blood pressure. Drinking 1 cup, or about 250 milliliters, of beetroot juice per day can reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels. 4. Dark chocolate can help lower blood pressure. Yes, you got that right. The flavonoids in dark chocolate improve nitric oxide levels, which helps relax blood vessels. But don't overindulge. Aim for a small piece, around 30 grams, of dark chocolate with at least 80% cocoa content daily, to get the benefits without excess calories. 5. Extra virgin olive oil, rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, can help lower blood pressure, especially when used as a substitute for unhealthy fats like margarine or seed oils. Aim to incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into your daily foods by drizzling it over salads or simply drinking it. 6. Magnesium plays a critical role in regulating blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and reducing stress on the cardiovascular system. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds are high in magnesium, but you can also take supplements if needed. The recommended daily intake for magnesium is around 300 to 420 milligrams. 7. Hibiscus tea is another effective natural remedy for lowering blood pressure. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, hibiscus tea works by promoting the relaxation of blood vessels. Studies suggest that drinking 2 to 3 cups of hibiscus tea daily can lower systolic blood pressure by up to 7 points. Just be sure to consult with your doctor if you're taking any medications, as hibiscus tea can interact with certain drugs. In conclusion, high blood pressure manifests through subtle early symptoms. Frequent headaches, especially those occurring at the back of your head, are among the most common warning signs. Similarly, blurred vision can indicate hypertensive retinopathy. Dizziness and lightheadedness, resulting from disrupted oxygen flow to the brain, may occur, particularly during quick movements or when standing. Nosebleeds can also result from weakened blood vessels due to high blood pressure. Sleep disturbances, such as insomnia, might suggest that your nervous system is struggling, keeping your body in a state of stress, creating a harmful cycle. Finally, if you experience a pounding sensation in your neck or ears, it could be a direct result of elevated blood pressure, as the force of blood flow becomes more pronounced. If any of these signs sound familiar, it's essential to address them with both lifestyle changes and natural remedies. Incorporating garlic, potassium-rich foods, beetroot juice, dark chocolate, extra virgin olive oil, magnesium, and hibiscus tea into your diet can significantly reduce high blood pressure, helping to relax and dilate blood vessels, and offering a holistic approach to better heart health. Also remember to check with your trusted doctor. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.